Hey guys, welcome back to Swiss Watch Expo. I'm Jonathan, and you probably know by now my love-hate relationship with the Cartier watch brand. It's a big running joke here at Swiss Watch Expo. But anyways, that aside, I've got this beautiful Cartier Tank Francaise. This is the small model and a very rare, very popular mother of pearl. And this one honestly makes it really stand out compared to the standard Cartier Tank Francaise. Not just because of the mother of pearl, but this one has more shades of different colors than I've ever seen in a mother of pearl dial. It's honestly, Penny's struggling just to keep up with just the amount of coloration in the dial. She sits there, keeps readjusting the camera. But yeah, this is in the two-tone bracelet and the rose gold crown. It's rose gold links. But yeah, we just got this one in and it looks absolutely amazing. So yeah, do what you need to get this one on your wrist.